Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with TD Ameritrade for brokerage account funding. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the TD Ameritrade website. Click on the Open New Account button located on the home page. Select Brokerage Account from the options presented. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Choose your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Enter your residential address and date of birth. Input your social security number or tax identification number. Select your employment status from the options provided. Complete the financial information section, including your annual income and net worth. Read and agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Click the Continue button to proceed to the next step. Create a username and password for your account. Set up security questions for account recovery. Provide your funding information, selecting your preferred method of deposit. If you choose bank transfer, enter your bank account details as requested. Review your application to ensure all information is accurate. Submit your application once you have verified all details. Wait for confirmation of your account setup via email. Log in to your newly created TD Ameritrade account. Click on Funding to initiate your first deposit. Follow the prompts to complete the funding process. Track the status of your deposit through the account dashboard. Begin trading once your funds have been successfully transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.